Well, I found the buck that I missed last night. He's with the does. They're all bedded down. They are on the other side of that hill, probably a mile away. So I'm going to climb up over that hill, glass them up, hopefully get within 300 yards or less. I'm bringing 25-06 Old Faithful meat in a pot. That 280 is a little bit light, hard to hold steady. So I'm going to rely on the same old rifle I've used for 40 years. So wish me luck. So I got 342 yards from him, but the wind where I was at was not good. That 25-06 with a light bullet. I'm probably 300 yards from him now, but I'm in this little draw. I'm gonna work up this little draw. Hopefully peek over the edge and I should be 250. He's bedded down, so I'm gonna just take my time. I don't think they're going anywhere. I got lots of time. It's only 11 o'clock. Hopefully old meat and the buck get her done. Well, by the time I got there, they decided to move. A four-wheeler came by on that road at the bottom, or side by side. And I figured they'd go up this draw, but they didn't. They went that way. So I'm gonna go after them. They have no clue I'm watching them, so they're a good. Well, I'll see if I can range it. Hang on with me. Where'd they go? There they are. I don't believe that yardage at all, but Vinyl said 550. Shit, they look a mile away. Let's see what these say. I can't even hold my other rangefinder steady enough. But shit, I might go straight after him. He's in the rut. He ain't paying attention to anything but those does. Okay. Till next time. 382 yards. I don't think he wants him going up that hill, so I'm just gonna hang tight here for a little bit. I hope this works out. He's a really, really nice buck. Hopefully nobody else drives up that road. They're only 80 yards above that road. Right down there. I really can't get much closer, so I know the old meat in the pot could probably do it, but I'm in no hurry, and if I can get down to 300, I will. So he separated from the does, which is good. As long as I can stay with him, he is hopefully going to come back over this side where he came from. He's 356 yards right now. I just need another. Oh yeah, he's coming down the hill. He's going to come right down below me. I got to get ready to go. Got him. 200 yards. Oh boy, he's a dandy. I'm excited. Whew. Well, I had to give him a follow-up. Not what I want to do, but I'm shooting those ballistic tip bullets. They're a good, accurate bullet, but they don't have what it takes to put him down for good. Dropped him like a rock, shot him high and a little far back, but he shouldn't have got back up. Anyway, we're gonna go look at him. Whew. That adrenaline zone. Well, I got back to the side-by-side. I left Antelope there. I thought I'd get closer. So, a lot easier to pack them out with the side-by-side than it is, you know, on your back. I'll have to bring them a little ways, but I'm going to get within 100, 200 yards of it. Pretty fun day.